Alrighty, this is project 18 for Luke and Dustin here. So in our coding, you see we have our integers. The only new integer we added was counter, and we set that equal to 0. So when we come down here, this code is saying that if we press the switch and it was previously not pressed, we will have the counter equal to the counter plus 1. And so every time we press a switch and it doesn't equal 5, it'll just keep cycling through this until it equals 5. So when the counter equals 5, we want the light to turn on, stay on for 2 seconds, and then turn back off. And then we want the counter to reset to 0, which is why we have that there. And then it'll just loop back through and keep going through this until it reaches 5 again, then turn back on, and then run through it again. And then at the end we check previous switch state equals switch state. So as you can see in our thing, we'll press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Light turns on for 2 seconds, shuts back off, resets the counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turns back on, and the process continues. In our flow chart, we just pretty much say the same thing. These are our integers. If the switch is pressed, we come over here, the counter equals counter plus 1. And if the counter equals 5, then it comes down here, turns the light on, stays on for 2 seconds, turns back off, and then set back to 0. Loops back around, does the same thing.